Do you recognize the frustration when hard work small account just in display off? You have tried numerous strategies without tangible success. This video is for you. Let me share the method that finally worked for me for to change your course with you guys. I've got an exciting surprise lined up just for you. Stay with me to the end of the video, guys. You won't wait to miss it. So for this video, we're gonna use Momentum, okay, Alligator and Fractal. All right. So for Alligator, we're gonna use 13.1, but we're not gonna use JAWS, okay? For TIFFs, 7.5 and Lips 6.2. All right. So for that one, the style, just select the JAWS. We're gonna only use Lips and TIFF as I said for you. Okay. So click on Save for that. Fractal, we're gonna use 2 on period. That's the full settings. It's normal. For Momentum, we're gonna use 10 on period. We're just gonna change the color. All right. So we got this. That's pretty good. So click on Save. All right. And now for the classic, guys, for the candles. Okay. For that one, we're gonna use classic candles and time frame for 1 minute. All right. And for the amount, 31 and 2 minutes expiration time. All right, guys, for those that want to create an account, the platform release and link in this video description. Okay. So as for this method right here, this moment is perfect for open and position in an upward direction. Okay. The main indicator of the method can be considered Alligator, because I have set the periods in such a way that during the ascent or descent situations, the green and red line cross each other. You can see that right here. That is for you right now. It's a good one. Okay, and it's also worth considering the fact that more recently Alligator green and red lines have crossed each other. The better the moment to open position, because the fact just turns out that a new signal has been started. But we should also look at that. Look at to the other two indicators, the fractal, okay, the momentum, which I try to expand and when open the next position. If this position, of course, we successfully close it, it's worth mentioning, guys. That is just one of the strategies that can revolutionize your journey in this market. To become a professional, it's crucial to master the most profitable strategy. But don't worry, I've got 2 exclusive pieces of content for you that will be the key to our growth. All right, so stick with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. All right? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Oh my God, this is great, guys. Excellent one. $59 on your first position. It's got to have the first win. Let's try to take the next one. Okay, guys, such moments are especially good compared to the other moments, because here we have a new point of contact of the green and red lines of the Alligator. This is a very good signal when the lines are now starting to move. Also, if you look when situation change for uptrend to downtrend, a fractal signal is made above the green candle, or the opposite, that is a red candle for the fractal, point to an uptrend. Okay. I also watch this moment because this is the second signal after the Alligator line crossed. All right, which I usually pay attention to. The third signal is the moment the candles, which as you can see have a new change in the trend, and then a new trend is detected downward on that momentum. We have the 2 cards on that. Okay, and I think this is always very good and strong signal, guys, for this method. All right. So let's wait for the results. All right, guys, look at that. Another win, $59, $88 in the total, guys. It's a great again and a one again. And let's go to the next one together. All right, let's try to define a good opportunity. Okay, guys, I want to continue the trade here because, as you can see, all the indicators give me a very, very good signal. The alligator lines have crossed each other more than the moving upwards. As well, the moment candles in the red fractal sign for the bottom to top have not changed. Okay, guys, this is one more excellent situation this made out. When the alligator lines have crossed each other for a long time, but I still open position because there are several factors that I observe. And if those factors appears, I have already told you, I open that position. And in this case of successful trade on this current pair, okay. So guys, let's wait for that and the moment we just talk about. Okay, we got that 1 minute 10 seconds. So let's wait and see the results together right now. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Okay, guys, look at that, man. I think that's all for today. We got another win. $138 in the total. I hope I explained all the details clearly. I think it has turned out to be a very informative video, guys. If you like it, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. I also have a Telegram group, a YouTube channel, so feel free to do that. I got videos will be posted on YouTube. So please note all my videos. I'm not financial advice. It's properly educational, and I want to wish you a successfully trade days and see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Wish you good profit, good operations, and see you around. Bye bye. Actually, right now.